This is a News9 exclusive because in that exclusive conversation with News9, West Bengal's Governor C.V. Ananda Bose, he's come down heavy on Mamata Banerjee and her dispensation, slamming the deteriorating law and order in the state. Without mincing words, the Governor C.V. Ananda Bose said that the guards of law and order, the West Bengal police, is corrupt, politicized and criminalized. That's what C.V. Ananda Bose says. In that exclusive to News9, he says, the West Bengal police is corrupt, politicized and criminalized.
I'm being joined by West Bengal Governor, Mr. C.V. Ananda Bose. Sir, thank you so much for speaking to News9. So you have been on the ground, MLA, also who's the Chief Whip of the State Assembly and a Member of Parliament, has been attacked in a gruesome way. You have been on the ground. What is your assessment so far, sir?
There is a very disappointing sight which we face in the North Bengal districts these days. The first is what has come as a result of the landslides and the floods. People have lost their lives, lost their homes, and poor people do not know where to go and seek solace from where. Many of them have been rehabilitated in the rescue homes. Attention is being paid to them. More than that, is a dastardly attack on an MP and an MLA. See, elected representatives cannot move freely in places affected by natural calamities without threat from others. If they are traumatized, it means democracy is under attack. This is a situation which the largest democracy in the world, that's India, can ill afford.
So do you think that the law and order situation in the state is in a deteriorating way? What can be done next to prevail it, sir?
I do not want to generalize on the state's law and order situation here. But what has happened in the recent past, and also what has been happening in the last 3 years of my being there, is something which does not bring credit to anybody down the line. There is no effective control over the gundas, and people are scared. A sense of fear has been created. Intimidation, shooting, stabbing, hacking. These are all issues, all tools that have been used very frequently in solving crisis in Bengal. Force is no arbiter. Somebody has to step in, and decent civilized form of government has to come back.
So, what do you think is the main reason? Because the people who are responsible behind it have not been arrested. When the police have access to the CCTV footages, they have access to the identity of these people. But it's been several days, but no arrest has been made in this case.
See, as you said in T.S. Eliot's Murder in the Cathedral, people have a feeling, king rule or baron rule, for us the poor there is no action. That is a helpless situation in which the people of Bengal are. They do not know who will protect them. The protectors themselves are attacking them. The police, they are supposed to guard law and order. But in many cases, as I said earlier, a faction of the police is corrupt. A faction of the police is politicized. A faction of the police is criminalized. That is my observation of the police there in the last few years.
So last question, you have given a 24 hours deadline. Post that deadline, what alternative action can we see from your side, sir?
Wait and watch.
I'm being joined by...
Wait and watch, says C.V. Ananda Bose. Mind you, the Member of Parliament was attacked. Then later on, MLA was also attacked, a tribal leader who was also attacked in West Bengal in the recent past. And C.V. Ananda Bose going on and saying, I do not want to generalize this, but over the last 3 years of my tenure as the West Bengal governor, I've seen hackings, I've heard of killings and murders that are taking place. It seems like a part and a faction of the West Bengal police is not only corrupt, it's also politicized, it's also criminalized, says the governor. There is a 24-hour ultimatum to Mamata Banerjee to arrest the culprits of Khagen Murmu's assault, but still no culprits that have been arrested so far. And the 24-hour ultimatum also seems to have been on the verge of ending. C.V. Ananda Bose says, wait and watch. Governor Bose slammed the state government over the attack on BJP MP Khagen Murmu, warning that strict action must be taken immediately. My colleague Sabyasachi joins us on the broadcast here. Now, Sabyasachi, C.V. Ananda Bose, he further added that if the culprits are not arrested, he may explore other measures under the Constitution of India. We earlier heard your reaction and your tic-tac with the governor. He said, just wait and watch. What kind of other measures does the governor have in store? Is the 24-hour ultimatum now over? And we've seen it time and again. Elections are right around the corner when you're talking about West Bengal. When it comes to the law and order, it's always an issue in the run-up to the polls, but incremental advantage for the BJP. They haven't been able to topple the Mamata government. Over to you, Sabya.
Well, that's right. The West Bengal governor has given a 24-hour deadline to the state machinery to arrest the culprits. And if they do not do within the set timeline, then action will be taken as per the constitution. Now, several questions were asked to Governor C.V. Ananda Bose. In fact, we also asked him whether the precedent rule is an option that the governor is looking, because he met President Draupadi Murmu today, and in fact the governor has briefed the President of India about the situation that is prevailing in the state of West Bengal. Now, he emphasized that in the last 3 years when he is the governor of the state of West Bengal, he time and again the Gundaraj and the goons have come out. He says that the people of West Bengal are tired and scared of the goons, and in his tenure in these 3 years, several such cases has come into light. Now, he says that it is a job of the police in the state to look after the law and order situation. But the police itself, the faction of the police from the state of West Bengal is corrupt. He also says that part of this faction of the police, West Bengal police, is also criminalized and politicized. So it's a big remark coming in from the West Bengal from the governor of West Bengal. See, time and again we have seen that the tussle has been going on between the West Bengal governor and the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Now, as far as the communication is concerned between Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose, he says that the communication is going on. In fact, he also requested the Chief Minister of the state to arrest these people as soon as possible. And he also emphasized that the people of West Bengal are afraid because of the Gundaraj, and it is continuously increasing, and the state machinery is completely unable to put a full stop on the Gundaraj in the state. Now, time and again we have seen that the BJP has come on the street. They in fact have raised this issue. In fact, the state machinery of the Bharatiya Janata Party have demanded for an agency-led investigation into this matter, because several the BJP has cited that there could be Bangladeshi infiltrators as well as Rohingya infiltrators involved in this case, and several such conspiracy theories even have reached to C.V. Ananda Bose. In fact, he says that several conspiracy theory has reached to me, but it is a job of the state police to investigate every possible angle which is coming up, and currently the state police is not doing so. And the ultimatum also has been given in from the BJP side, and now the ultimatum coming in from the governor's side. So a lot of action is going to take place, because the 24-hour deadline is going to end, and the governor will be in the state, in the national capital for the couple of days. So we have to wait and see how things pan out, because the war of words is only going to escalate between the between the two political parties.
Massive political posturing. Sabya, stay on with us. We will come back to you right after this. There is political violence. Let's put this in context for the viewers. Political violence continues to grip West Bengal, with incidents ranging from attack on BJP Member of Parliament Khagen Murmu that my colleague Sabya was just talking about, to the vandalism at the TMC's Tripura office in Agartala. And the escalation has once again put Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in the spotlight following a 24-hour ultimatum. We've been speaking about it, issued by West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose. And last night, Agartala headquarters of the TMC was reportedly vandalized by members of the ruling BJP's youth wing. The attack came just a day after BJP MP Khagen Murmu and MLA Shankar Ghosh were assaulted in a flood-affected area when they'd gone to take stock of the situation. This is in northwest Bengal. Sabya, before I let you go, help put the situation in perspective. I'm again going to say this is in the run-up to the elections over there. BJP hasn't been able to topple the Mamata dispensation. They would like to do that, Shvedu Adhikari. And why this is a prestige issue for the governor as well is because his own convoy was attacked earlier on as well. How big of an issue will the law and order actually be? Because people are afraid. Anarchy, Gunda Raj, these are not new words when you're talking about West Bengal and its politics. But this is a major statement where the governor says that a faction of the police is criminalized, it's politicized, and it's corrupt. And then you have the law and order. Do you think that's going to be the big game changer come this election season?
Well, see, for the Bharatiya Janata Party, it's going to be tough in the state of West Bengal. Time and again, the BJP has been highlighting that how the law and order situation in the state of West Bengal is deteriorating, and in the 3 years' time, C.V. Ananda Bose time and again has highlighted this. Time and again, he has met with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and he also highlighted that this particular problem has not been solved, and the police has been inactive in doing so. Now, huge allegation coming in from C.V. Ananda Bose towards the West Bengal police, where he claims that a faction of the West Bengal police is corrupt, is criminalized, and is politicized. So big statement and charge coming towards the West Bengal police. Now, on the other hand, the violence also broke out in Tripura, where the Trinamool Congress delegation today went to Tripura. There was a huge drama at the Tripura airport. The Trinamool Congress delegation carried out dharna for several hours in front of the airport because they were alleging that the state government was not allowing them to visit the area where the vandalism took place at the Trinamool Congress headquarters in Tripura. Meanwhile, yesterday also Mamata Banerjee went to meet Khagen Murmu, but after that also a lot of politics had taken place because the other MLA who has sustained injury, the Shankar Ghosh, has alleged that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee did it for PR purpose. Now, the war of words is only going to escalate between the two political parties because
there is war of optics as well, Sabya. There is war of optics as well. Why I'm saying that is because we have a split screen right now. We've got visuals of what happened in Agartala last night also. This does not help the BJP's case now, does it? The alleged BJP's youth wing members that went and ransacked and vandalized the TMC office in Agartala over there. It doesn't really help or augurs well for what Suvendu Adhikari might be saying from the pedestal.
Well, that's right. See, that is the point which the Trinamool Congress has also highlighted, because the Trinamool Congress highlighted that the BJP is completely unable to defeat the Trinamool Congress in the state of West Bengal, and that is the reason why this anger is being shown towards the Trinamool Congress leadership in Tripura, and that is the reason why the Trinamool Congress headquarters was vandalized.